The Falcon bolt-on skid plate for rear Falcon shocks is designed for the serious off-roader and to be used in conjunction with the Falcon Series 3 JK piggyback shocks. In this video installation guide, we will show how to properly install the bolt-on skid plate. Here is a list of tools you will need to complete this kit. This is a fairly easy install, but be sure you understand all the steps before beginning. Raise up the rear of the Jeep. If you are using jack stands, be sure to block the front wheels. There is no need to remove the tires. Use a 3/4 inch or 19mm wrench and remove the outer nut. Pry the shock off the stud as demonstrated. If your pry bar does not have rubber on it, use a soft cloth between the pry bar and the shock. Using a 6mm Allen wrench to keep the stud from spinning, loosen the inner nut with the same 3/4 inch or 19mm wrench. Remember to retain the stud, nuts, and washers for use later in the build. When installing the skid plate, you may find the fit to be tight. Just pry open the bracket a little bit. It doesn't take much. You might also want to file down the sharp edges. You should be able to put on the skid plate with ease. Insert the shock stud you removed earlier and reinstall the nut and washer using the same tools as before. Push the skid plate all the way up and back, then torque to 56 foot-pounds. Mark a spot to drill a hole. Put it in a spot centered on the bracket and about an inch from the top, but make sure that it will go through both the shock mount and the skid plate. Drill a pilot hole and then finish the hole using a 17/64 inch or a 9/32 inch drill bit. Install the 1/4 inch Allen bolt and corresponding nut. Tighten with a 7/16 inch wrench and a 3/16 inch Allen wrench. Torque to 11 foot-pounds. Grease the stud, then slide the bottom end of the shock onto the stud. You may have to use the pry bar again. Reinstall the washer and nut using a 3/4 inch wrench. Torque to 56 foot-pounds. You're done with this side, now just repeat the steps for the other side. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in more Falcon products, visit our website at falconshocks.com.